As you know, the sound is the most iconic thing behind it. It sounds like a jet. Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of KhanFlicks. I'm here with Omega, building the Castrol Supra once again, in which we're upgrading our turbo. Now, this is what it originally came with. It was a single turbo T7833D by Gretty, old school, essentially the dinosaurs of turbos. And literally, I mean, it takes forever to get boost. And we actually went with the all-new Precision 6466, aka God's Turbo, which is the best street turbo out there, but with a little bit of a twist. As you know, one of the most iconic turbos is the HKS T51R, in which T51R mod that you can do just about any turbo. Josh, you want to take a look?
Yeah, let's open this thing up.
All right. Now, we sent this over to OCD Works, in which what they do is you just send them the housing and they'll go ahead and modify your turbo with the specific mod where they machine it in-house. And then they'll send it back to you just like this. Now, we actually ordered our turbo directly from them, so they gave it to us like this. But traditionally, those give us the face itself, which you'll mount on your own, which isn't too complicated. So Josh, some thoughts about it?
Yeah, I mean, this thing's real top-notch quality right here for sure. And you can obviously see where they machined it. Actually looks really nice. But yeah, I mean, this is a pretty big turbo right here, but for sure the spool's gonna be there.
Yeah, so as you know, the sound is the most iconic thing behind it. It sounds like a jet. And we'll be doing a little dyno run on that once it's on there. So yeah, let's go ahead and mount this bad boy up and see what it looks like.
Let's do it.
All right, so to kind of give you an idea how it looks, that is how it mounts. Now you can technically rotate it, which is great for the 6466, based on your intercooling needs, which we might actually have to do some adjustments. Now I believe we're getting this one polished, and then we actually have the turbo shield also going on there as well. Yep. And if you guys have any questions about it, comment down below. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next episode. Bye.